Hi everyone, my name is David White and I'm the Content Marketing Director here at Connected Free. Today I want to do a super quick vlog on how to use digital PR to not only drive links for SEO visibility, but to also influence consumer decision making. I've done a lot of vlogs on this channel in the past about how to build links and different tactics on how to build links and the benefits that a really solid link strategy can have to a brand's SEO visibility. And that remains absolutely true. But what I want to talk about today is how you can improve digital PR one step further and actually influence consumer decision making as part of the campaigns that you're running as well. Now, I want to introduce you to a concept called the messy middle. Now, some of you may have heard about this before, but if you haven't, the messy middle is essentially a phrase coined by Google. They released it in 2020, and they've just done a new report as well towards the end of 2023, in which they've detailed the messy middle again. Now, the messy middle is essentially a phase in the customer journey between trigger and purchase. Okay, so the messy middle, the reason it's called messy middle is because it is exactly that. It's super complicated. So at the point of trigger and the point of purchase, the bit in between, what influences a customer to decide what to buy and when to buy? Okay, and it could be a variety of different things. So for the example of this video, imagine we are a cruise line, okay, a cruise company. Okay, the trigger is obviously wanting to go on a cruise. Now that trigger could be multiple things. It could be your friends going on a cruise. It could be something you've seen on TV or a program you've watched, or you could have recently been on holiday and seen the cruise ships come into the harbour. It could have been a variety of different things, but that is the trigger, okay? That is what started you thinking about going on a cruise. You then, before going to that purchase stage, enter this messy middle, okay? And that part is the research, that part is the consideration. So maybe you go on TikTok, maybe you go on Instagram, maybe you search for different queries across Google, maybe you speak to your friends about it down the pub. There are many things that can happen, but did you know that digital PR, as well as building links, can actually help you decode that messy middle and influence the consumers? So if we were a cruise brand, okay, and we wanted to try and influence people to come on our cruise liner, how can we build a campaign that builds links but also influences that decision? Now, what I did is I started by looking at research. What are people searching for? What are people looking for? And one thing that I saw, which is quite a large percentage of people searching for within that messy middle phase, is honeymoons. So a lot of people are looking to go on cruises on their honeymoons. And around that, you will have a ridiculous amount of TikTok searches, people searching on Instagram, people searching on Google, people asking their friends about different things about where it's best to go on a honeymoon cruise. What should I buy before going on a cruise for my honeymoon? Is a cruise even a good option for a honeymoon? There is a lot of options and a lot of searches across a lot of different platforms that will happen in that period. Now, if I was running a digital PR campaign, okay, for links, you might want to start thinking about that topic, honeymoon and cruises. So it's quite a basic idea, but maybe you run an index on the best destinations for honeymoon cruises, and you go out and you get links in the media. Then on the on-site content that you're driving the links back to, maybe you start to answer some of them questions that people are searching within that messy middle phase. Maybe we go one step further. Maybe we incorporate TikTok influencers who people are reading and looking to for this information and get them involved in the campaign creation as well. It's a really basic example, okay? And I'm not saying that the idea that I've just come up with is a good idea, but you understand how it works. Digital PR will always build you links, and if done correctly and if done relevant and if done on high quality sites, it will drive SEO performance. But don't forget your customer journey. Understand what's going on in that messy middle phase, what questions people are asking, where are they asking them, and incorporate that within your digital PR strategy so you can start to influence consumer decisions whilst also building links for SEO purposes. That to me is the future of digital PR. It's taking that link building one step further. Yes, you're going to get SEO visibility, but you're also going to get good content in front of the right people at the right time and try and guide them to your site to perform an action that you want them to perform. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. I'm going to put some links in the video now about where you can read more on this through the Google reports, but I would love to hear your thoughts about how you're kind of incorporating the customer journey in your digital PR strategies. And obviously, if you have any questions, please just come through to my personal account or through to Connected Free. Thank you for listening and stay safe.